Are you ready to turn your opinions into money and unlock some seriously exciting rewards? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you a surefire route to earning money while sharing your valuable opinions. Gone are the days of wasting time scrolling mindlessly on social media. Instead, imagine getting rewarded for your thoughts and insights. Whether you're a student looking to make some extra cash or a busy professional seeking a flexible side hustle, this video has got you covered. Don't miss out on this exciting chance to monetize your ideas. Watch the video now and take the first step towards turning your opinions into cold, hard cash. Get ready for a thrilling journey filled with endless possibilities. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. And if you have any questions or concerns regarding the video, please leave a comment below. Now let's get started. Ready to turn your opinions into money and peel off some serious rewards? Welcome to Banana Bucks app, your fun, fresh, and route to earn. Banana Bucks is a platform where members can earn money by taking surveys. Banana Bucks is free to join, and they guarantee you $1 for your first survey. Banana Bucks is available in all countries and works with brands, companies, and academic institutions to provide you with paid survey opportunities. Participate in fun and interesting surveys sourced from our network of global brands and universities. Make money fast, starting at 20 cents per survey. The more surveys you take, the better your payouts get. There is no limit to how much you can make on Banana Bucks. The power users have lifetime earnings in the thousands of dollars and have been loyal users since the start. The typical Banana Bucks user is able to reach their minimum cash out balance in their first couple of days. Getting to $5 is pretty easy. You can cash out via PayPal, say goodbye to mind-numbing surveys, and hello to a more engaging and lucrative opportunity. Join the thousands of people who have already discovered this amazing route to earn extra income. You won't want to miss out on this incredible opportunity. So download Banana Bucks now and start peeling off some serious rewards. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.